Can I really make easy money by sending SMS and email? Here is Kim's story. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Kim. Kim had always struggled to make ends meet and had been working multiple 9-to-5 jobs just to make enough money to get by. One day, she stumbled upon a YouTube video that talked about a new way to make money by sending SMS and email. At first, Kim was skeptical. She had never heard of such a thing and wasn't sure if it was even legitimate. But as she researched more about it, she began to see the potential. The idea was simple: companies would pay her to send promotional messages to people via SMS and email, and she would earn a commission for every person who made a purchase as a result. Here are 5 best legit companies Kim finds. 1. The Free Eats Network. 2. Just Answer. 3. Fibler. 4. IMGR. 5. Hummer. Kim decided to give it a try. She signed up with these companies that offered these services and started sending out promotional messages to her contacts. Today, Kim quit her multiple 9-to-5 jobs and now earning a comfortable living from the comfort of her own home. She has inspired others to follow in her footsteps and has become a leading expert in the field of SMS and email marketing.